Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to take browser exe from project directory in Selenium. In the last video I have explained how to launch any website in Selenium. But in that particular video what I did, I took the hard-coded value. So it's not a good practice to take hard-coded values while implementing anything. So let me go to the Eclipse and I'll show you how to take browser exe path from the project directory. So this is my sample project under Selenium. I've created some of the packages and those are the tests under test package. So in my last video I've explained about the website launched. So in this video I have explained about the hard-coded path. So I took geekodriver.exe directly through hard coding. Okay, so how to avoid this? So before going to that, you have to download the geekodriver.exe from the internet if you want to execute your automated test cases in Firefox browser. So that time you have to download the geekodriver.exe from the internet. Otherwise, if you want to execute your tests using Chrome browser, so that time you have to use Chrome driver exe. So I am now using geekodriver because I want to execute my test cases in Firefox browser. But how to take that geekodriver.exe path from the project directory? So I have already downloaded the exe and I kept it inside the local drive. So I'll go directly on that section. So I have already downloaded and kept it inside this folder. I'll just copy the geekodriver path. I'll copy the exe and I have to paste it inside the workspace, because whenever you will install Eclipse software, at the time of installation it will ask for the workspace creation. Okay, so I'll go to the workspace section. So this Eclipse underscore workspace, so that workspace I've created at the time of Eclipse installation time. So while go there and inside this Selenium folder, I'll create another folder, Firefox exe path. Under this folder I'll just paste it. Okay, so now go to the Eclipse and select the Selenium, because inside Selenium I have created the folder and inside that folder I have pasted geekodriver.exe. So just select that Selenium folder, right click, click on refresh button. So guys, whenever you will refresh, that particular folder structure will be automatically added in your project. Okay, so this is the folder I have created, Firefox exe path. Inside that I'll get geekodriver.exe. Okay, so it will be automatically added in my project directory after refreshing the Selenium project. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just show you how to take this geekodriver.exe path from the project directory. So I'll just comment this line. Okay, I'll just use the same line here. I'll comment it, this line. I have to delete some of the folder structure here and just type // Firefox exe path. The same folder name I am giving here, Firefox exe path, under that geekodriver.exe. So the same folder name guys you have to give, otherwise it will throw error. So Firefox exe path I have mentioned, and inside this Firefox exe path GeckoDriver.exe is there, so I mentioned GeckoDriver.exe. So what is the meaning of dot double slash? So the meaning of dot double slash means it will take this particular path from the project directory. That means it will search particular Firefox exe path folder already exist in your directory or not. If it exists, it will go to that particular folder, and inside the folder it will take the GeckoDriver.exe. So that is why I have mentioned dot double slash Firefox exe path inside that GeckoDriver.exe. So in this way we have to mention. Now I'll check whether it is working fine or not. Just right click here, run as Java application. Yes, it is launched. Yeah. So now in this video I am not doing any hard coding values here. I am just using the project directory path directly in the coding section. Okay. So these are the steps, guys, you have to follow. So thank you for watching the video.